In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Docs from one account to another with ease. We'll start by visiting Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the account that currently owns the documents you want to transfer. Once you're there, look for the file you wish to move. It's important that this file is owned by you, as we're about to share it with another account. After locating the document, click to highlight it. If the document hasn't been shared with anyone yet, click the Share button. This might look like a small silhouette of a person with a plus sign next to it. Sharing the document involves adding the email address of the account you want to share the document with. Enter the necessary email, ensuring that you have the correct destination address. Once you've added the email, click Share. A notification will pop up confirming that the document has been successfully shared with the other account. Now, you can verify your ownership of the document. This is important because only the owner can transfer ownership to another account. Next, find the option to change user settings. Click on where it says Editor, which will allow you to transfer ownership of the document. Select the new owner from the list, which should include the email you added earlier. Once that's done, click Send Invitation. This step is crucial as the transfer of ownership won't take effect until the other party accepts the invitation. Now let's switch gears to the account you've shared the document with. The other account will receive an email notification regarding this new document. Check your inbox for this notification and open the invitation email. Accepting this invitation is essential for taking over ownership. Once accepted, the document ownership will officially transfer to this account, allowing the other user to fully manage the document. For a precautionary step, you can visit the Google Drive of the new account to ensure that ownership has been successfully transferred. Look for the document and verify its status on the Drive homepage. Finally, it's often a good idea to clean up access permissions. Go back to the document sharing settings and remove any unnecessary access permissions from the original account. Afterward, don't forget to save these changes. As you can see, transferring documents between Google accounts doesn't have to be difficult. With these steps, you can efficiently move your documents from one account to another and manage ownership without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Google Docs.